All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to recover some of your bandwidth that Windows has been secretly stealing from you in the background. So, if you go into your Windows settings, you're going to type in settings, and then down here at the bottom of the left-hand sidebar is Windows Update. You'll find under Advanced Options down here, delivery optimization. So what this is allowing other computers, and a lot of the time it's set up like this, so it's by default set up for devices on the internet, and your local network can download a copy of the latest Windows updates from you. Now, if you want to be efficient about this and you have a few other computers on your network, it might not be a terrible idea to allow devices on your local network to download from you. But if you don't, I would recommend turning this feature off because this is allowing other people to constantly be downloading from you over your internet connection all of the updates that should be downloaded directly from Microsoft instead, because they're trying to save bandwidth on your dime, wasting your internet speed on something that they can do themselves. So it's just a really quick tip that you can turn that off in order to save some of your internet speed there at home. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.